Hey folks, on a quiet day across the valley today, radar showing absolutely nothing over the area. That dry air coming in on the southwest side of Imelda, which is working her way into southeast Texas. Another band of thunderstorms kind of creeping up on the back side of that. You can see a thunderstorm warning in effect there to the southwest of Houston. Then Chambers County under a tornado warning in part of eastern Harris County as well. Got some ground truth on that. We've seen video of a tornado in that region just in the last few minutes. But of course, the rain has been the big story. This is Doppler estimated rainfall going back to early yesterday through today. But notice once you get west of Houston, there hasn't been much. We'll go a little bit closer. Downtown has seen a lot, of course, right along the coast. There's been tremendous rainfall. But once you get back to Sealy, back to Schulenburg, pretty much nothing there. Here's some Doppler estimated rainfall totals: 14.3 down to the southwest of Brazosport. But there have been some other reports of more than 20 inches down in this region, and 6 to 8 when you get from Galveston up to the south side of Houston. Then it drops off after that. Here's the additional rainfall expected, at least this is what computers are projecting. And while Houston another 1.5 inches or so, Galveston close to 2 more inches on top of what they've already seen. Look up around Jasper, northeast or southeast Texas, 11 to 12 inches of rain more on top of what they've already had before this is over with. See another batch of stuff firing up back here. That's concerning to the folks who are dealing with some flooding in parts of southeast Texas right now. The storm will move away. More rain will wrap around the backside. It's going to continue to rain in East Texas for another day or so. Then it'll lift out to northeast Texas and beyond. For us, we'll come kind of get rid of that circulation, and then we start to see sea breeze showers again, probably starting on Saturday and then going through the next several days with just isolated stuff aboard that southeast flow all the way into the early part of next week. Future track suggests we don't see much tonight, just patchy clouds. Could be an isolated shower tomorrow, but we're talking 10% probably or less. Friday, same kind of thing. For the most part, a dry day. By Saturday, we start to add a little more moisture to the mix, start to get the sea breeze going again. Then our rain chance goes up to about 20% for Saturday, but Thursday and Friday are mainly dry. These are current temperatures, around 90 or so, much warmer in the west. A little cooler in Brownsville. Port Isabel's at 90 right now. South to southeast winds tomorrow 5 to 15 as temperatures climb back close to 100 again. The normal high is 91. We're going to be running above that all the way into and through the weekend. We do not see a cool off coming anytime soon. Look at the Atlantic and the Gulf, mostly the Atlantic. Here's Jerry going this way, going to follow Humberto. Humberto's going that way. Remnants of Imelda. This system, a 10% chance of development going that way. Another system out here, 30% chance of development. We'll take a closer look at Jerry. That's 765 miles east of the Leeward Islands with winds of 60 miles per hour. Expected to become a hurricane by tomorrow afternoon, but maybe not stay that way long. Probably back down to a tropical storm, and then it makes that bend back out to sea. So Bermuda, they're getting hit hard with Humberto right now. They may see the impact of that storm as well before it's over with. At the coast here, here's what's happening. Winds out of the south to southeast 10 to 20 knots. Choppy on the bay. UV is very high. Small craft operators urged to use caution. So tonight, 79 for a low, warm and humid. Tomorrow, we're right back up to 96. Mainly dry. Can't rule out an isolated shower. Most areas are dry. First 5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days. Every day in the 90s. Fall begins on Monday. Looks a lot like Sunday. Tuesday looks the same. So does Wednesday. Isolated showers possible each day with highs in the 90s. That's your updated First 5 AccuWeather forecast.